Welcome back, guys. I got some new birds. Just show you some. This one is molting, so I'm not gonna spar, not yet. So I'm gonna give him a little bit of time, see if he can play. And then we got this one. He's BB in LA. So gotta have some H babies. Oh shit. Oh shit. And then I got this Spangle right here. It's pretty good. 8 pounds. Fights pretty well. Trained. Then I got this black one right here. Haven't tested him too, so I'm gonna wait like another month and I'm gonna test him up. And then I got this one right here, my mini goat. So I like this guy a lot. Super lock. And then I just got this tiny one right here. I'm gonna give it back because I don't really need it no more. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I pretty much have right now. You shake it.
No.
And then this guy is like top spinner. Seen video when he was in molting. So I like the color on this guy. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That is all I have left.